Hi. I'm Mr. WL. And you guys are wondering why I have a jackhammer in my hands. Well, it's because I'm going to break down Miss Jill's door with this jackhammer. This is going to be funny. Ha 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 ha. All right. Here I go.
All right, class. Today, we're going to be doing some multiplications and divisions on decimals.
Ha 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 ha. You should have seen the looks on your faces when I broke down Miss Jill's door with my jackhammer. Pretty funny. Right?
Absolutely not. Mr. WL. Why? Just why would you break down my door with your jackhammer like that, huh? Now thanks to you, it's gonna cost a lot of money to get my door fixed. That's it. Get your ass out of my classroom and head straight to the principal's office right now.
Mr. WL. Words can't describe how furious I am with you right now after I heard that you broke down Miss Jill's door with your jackhammer. Now it's gonna cost a lot of money to get Miss Jill's door fixed thanks to you. That's it. You're suspended for the entire month. Go home right now.
Mr. WL, are you fucking kidding me right now? We can't believe you broke down Miss Jill's door with your jackhammer. Now we have to pay a lot of money to get Miss Jill's door fixed thanks to you.
I strongly agree with your father. That's it. You're grounded until Miss Jill's door gets fixed. Now give us your jackhammer and then go to your room right now.
Wah 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 wah.